If you want to eat healthier, more nutritious food over the winter, my basic vegan chili recipe is delicious, nutritious, and easy to make. This is my traditional chili recipe. Now, it's vegetarian traditional, which means it's meat-free and dairy-free, but not flavor-free. You can make it either in a crock pot or on a stovetop. I'm going to make it on the stovetop today, so let's get started. This recipe calls for 2 green bell peppers, 1 onion, 3 garlic cloves, and 3 celery stalks. The other ingredients are 2 cans of kidney beans, 3 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato paste, and chili powder. I'm going to start by heating some vegetable stock, but you can use a tablespoon of oil if you want. Once it starts to heat up, I'm going to add the onion, the green pepper, and the celery, and the garlic. I'll stir it occasionally and let it cook on the stove here for about 5 to 7 minutes until the onion starts to look a little bit translucent. It looks good and it smells good. Now I can just add all the other ingredients. The diced tomatoes, and an entire can of tomato paste. And I'm going to mix that in before I add the beans. In fact, before I add the beans, I'm going to add the chili powder and a little salt and pepper. Mix that up. Now I'll add the beans. Now I did drain, rinse, and drain again 2 cans of beans. You see that's nice and thick. Now with this, I'm going to increase the heat a little bit to medium-high. I'm going to stick around the kitchen because I need to bring that to a light simmer. And then I'm going to simmer it for an hour to an hour and a half. Well, that was actually quick. You can see it simmering already. So I'm going to lower the temperature a bit and I'm going to put a lid on. To check it in 45 minutes and even taste it to see if it needs anything else, more spices or not. It's been 45 minutes. I had the lid on and it actually got way beyond simmering. So I took the lid off so that it can thicken up a little bit more. And I'll probably cook this for the entire hour and a half because I really like the flavors to meld. It has been an hour and a half. And I will tell you, even at the lowest setting, this thing is bubbling and bubbling. I have a stove to clean up now, but let's give it a taste test. The full ingredient list is in the description box below the video. To access it, go below the video on a phone or tablet. You have to tap the word more once, then it'll open up the box just a little bit. You have to tap the word more a second time. That opens it up completely, and then scroll down to where the ingredients are listed. Now I have my taste test here. I like chili to be thick. I don't want it to be soupy. This is perfect. I will admit I did taste test it earlier, maybe after 45 minutes of cooking, just to make sure if it needed any more of the chili powder, any more salt or pepper. So this is absolutely delicious. So if you're one of those people who likes some sour cream on your chili, but you're trying to do non-dairy like I do, I have a fantastic recipe for a vegan plant-based, well, let's just say it's not dairy, sour cream recipe, and it's in the recipe book for my Kickstart Your Health course. If you're trying to improve your health, if you're trying to feel better, if you're trying to lose weight and get down to your regular weight that you always should be, and you have the advantage of looking younger, this is what 64 looks like, then you want to take my Kickstart course. I'll definitely link it in the description box. I might be able to link it in a card. Then check out one of my other recipe videos by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.